Hello. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, Lesson 37. We shall be concentrating in this lesson upon the pair of letters as syllables and as pair of syllables. See, Varan letter is of TC value 18. So, pair of letters as such 18 and 18 will give us summation value 36. Further, as pair of dimensions, it will lead to value 20. The Akshar formulation syllable is of TC value 30, and pair of Akshars will lead to the value 13, 13. 13 plus 13 is 26, while pair of dimensions it is 15. These features, that one letter as 18, one syllable as 13, and then the pair of letters as 36 and also as 20, and here the pair of syllables as 26 and as dimensions as 50. These features, deserve to be seen, that if we have numbers 1 to 8, the summation value is 36. However, if we have spatial dimensions of 8 steps, it takes up till 16, and the difference between the two is 20. How this feature is connected is to be learned. It is this relationship of Varan with another Varan. One way takes us to value 36 and 20, and also if we have linear dimensions 8 in number, and these will give us the synthesis value 36, and spatial dimensions lead us value 16, and the difference value is 20. Then for Akshar with another Akshar takes us to 26, which is H7, and 15 is Swara, It is this feature that Swara and Devta 26 interrelationship. Now, all these features as these are with respect to Varan, Akshar, Varan with Varan, Akshar with Akshar, word with word, letter with letter. Then see that we are within creator's space. It has 5 space as origin. It is of a dimensional frame value 15 and it takes us to 18 as the 1 to 18 are of factors 1 to 33 and 33 is 18 plus 15. Now this feature, this interrelationship and the hypercube 5 is 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is 18 and it is a Varan. The dimensional frame 15 is of 15 as domain leads to 13 as dimension and it is Akshar. So how from 18 as a Varan to 15 to 13 Varan and Akshar. It is Tej, it is Swar, these features deserve to be comprehended well. These deserve to be entered in the Panini Ashtadhayayi dictionary and Sthapatya. Now we shall reach at that we shall have the formulations like Varan, Akshar, Swar, Vyanjan. Then we can have a Pad, we can have Shabd, we can have Vakya, we will be having a Sutra, Shalok. Like that, we shall make a tabulation of these technical terms which are making the speaking language. But this speaking language is availing these form, which are the formulations 18 taking to H5, 13 taking to H3.5, 15 as H4, and this way Vyanjan is 29, Pad is 30, Shabd 17, Vakya is 12, Sutra is 15, Shlok is 16. These TCV values and on the other hand we will be having 62 raised to power 4 as the dimensional frame, 50 going to be the dimensional frame of 5 space. Then we are having 14 equal to H4, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 13 we are having 13 edged cube with a creator's space. 12 is yoke, 12 is Shiv, 12 is D5, 11 there are 11 geometries of 5 space, 11 versions of hypercube 5. Then 10 it is going to be H3, 9 there are 9 versions of 4 space, 8 it is Ek, it is Ras, it is Akash, it is B2 4, B4 8, A4 is to 8, B raised to power 3. So in this way we can also have a tabulations. 1 is A, it is Ref, it is Ka, it is Yahalant. 2 is A, it is E, it is Kha, it is Cha, it is Sha. 3 like that we can draw a table, and then C we can have 16 as Jeev and Beach. 15 is Virya, it is Tej. 14 is Sharir, then 13 is Chit, 12 is Yog. Like that we can have 17 as Dravya, it is Divya, it is Atma, it is Northern Hemisphere. 18 is Vidya, it is Ishwar, it is Prakriti. 19 is Man, it is Indri, it is Southern Hemisphere. 20 is Ved, it is Dev, it is Divya Ganga Pravaha. So this way we shall prepare a TCV dictionary of all technical terms as word formulations. Then further we should have sanjayas. These are the specific formulations. These are designated formulations like vridhi. And see, it is having a pair of syllables, 11 and it is 15. There are as many as 11 versions of 5 space, and there is a dimensional frame value 15. How it is, how it works, how it functions, what is its sthapatya, and what these individual syllables combined as a pad, which is 13. It is G613. How it takes to the 16 versions, 13 versions of a 6 space. How it is 13 edged cube. How it is that 5 spaces origin splits 4 space domain into this format of 454. how these are the 13 Ganita Sutras, how it is a Tithi, how it is a Chit, and all that is there. But for it, we have to prepare our TCV dictionary and Sthapatya referencer. The basic exercise, the whole efforts initially have to be put in for updating TCV dictionary and the Sthapatya referencer. When we shall be having our own TCV dictionary, then we should be in a position to chase the existence phenomenon of our solar universe as well as existence of a human frame. What is our own life phenomenon? What is the life phenomenon of Earth? Our TCV dictionaries should be available. Then we can have, say, for a Vriksha tree, whole information should be available. How the 19 will work, how 11 and 8 are interconnected, how Asht is having TC value 11 and it is Ek, it is Akash. This way, our TCV dictionary shall be of such intensity that it should become a source reservoir for the existence phenomenons, starting with Vriksha tree or with Pakshi, Pashu, and that way we have to be very specific in our understanding as that the our start, if it is with Ank, it shall take us to Ang, then to Sank, then to Pashu, Pakshi, Keet, Patang, and Briksh, Beach, Jeep, Sharir. These all in their own way are complete domains, parallel domains. So it is the system. It will take from number 6 to number 28. But first with number 6, if we are having a right angle triangle 3, 4 and 5, then area is 6 and 6 is H2 and 6 is Ajanma, bonds of its own, 1, 4 and 1. This takes us to 1, 4 and 3. It is 11 into 13. It takes to G5 11 to G6 13. It takes us to synthesis format of 11 less and 11 more, 20 and -2, -13 and 31, so on. All these features are there and it is the first perfect number. It is a Surya Ank. It is a Sthapatya miring rod. Here is a Brahm. It makes a system. It will take to 496. It is a Garud, which is a carrier of a Vishnu. See this mathematics, Vedic mathematics of Ganita Sutras, beginning with the first letter A. And Ashtadhayayi begins with the letter Va. It is 7. And Brahma Sutra with letter Ba.